Hey guys, this is me, Brydon, here in Toronto on the Save the Nation tour. Downtown Toronto at Trust Daycare. We've been putting these sales up for these folks for years. In fact, they did their own for a while, but I'm back to sort of fix hardware and stuff. A couple things I want to show you here. Lighter colors will show the fade more. The sale is fine, it's functioning just fine, but it does fade more. You maybe can't see it in the shot, but the top is affected by the sun more than the bottom. But the sale's still holding up great. We did use flush track on the building here. Really cool design, brings the sail tight to the building. And then we also put a little emblem on, a little butterfly that we sewed on there for the kids, so really cool. So takeaways, lighter sails, you'll notice the fading more, and you can also clean the sails, power wash those, and that'll come up real nice. Probably do that next year for these folks. And there's a blue one that you can't really notice the fading as much. But these sails have been going for many years here at Trust Daycare in Toronto. Next stop, Newmarket, then Collingwood, back to Collingwood. Catch you on the next one.